Hey guys, today I have my little piggy here, and I'm Mrs. Battles, and I'm really excited to see you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about my little piggy here, and this piggy is going to serve as my piggy bank. I don't actually have one, so I drew a pig, and I put him next to a bowl, and I'm going to be putting some coins inside my piggy bank. If you want to draw a pig and make your piggy bank too, that'd be awesome. What we're going to do today is we are going to be counting pennies, and I'm going to be putting some pennies inside of my piggy bank here, and you're going to have to think about how many I put in and how many I have left. Let me show you my pennies right now. If I put my screen down here, you're going to notice I have a 10 frame, and on my 10 frame I have some pennies, and right now it is completely full of pennies, so which means I have 10 pennies. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Or 5 plus 5 is 10 also. Friends, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these pennies and I'm going to put them inside of my piggy bank. And you're going to think about how many I put in and how many you think I have left on my board. Are you ready? Okay. So remember, I'm starting with 10 pennies. Okay. I'm going to take some pennies off. And I want you to think about how many clinks you hear. Ready? All right. How many pennies do you think I took off? All right. So how many pennies do you think are left on my 10 frame? All right. There's different ways you can solve this. If you listened very carefully, you could have heard that there were 3 clinks. And so there are 3 pennies in my piggy bank. Let's take a look. Do you see the 3 empty spaces? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 empty spaces. So I had 10 pennies and I put 3 in my piggy bank. I took away 3. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job, friends. One strategy we can do when we subtract, when you don't have that 10 frame in front of you, is counting backwards. So I started with 10, and every time you hear a clink, you can take away a finger to count as one of the pennies that went inside of my piggy bank. So we go 10, 9, 8, and 7. So there were 7 pennies left. Let's try it for the next one. You ready? I'm going to put my 3 pennies back. 1, 2, and 3. Check it out. Do I have all 10? Perfect. All right. Now I'm going to take some and I'm going to put them inside of my piggy bank. Ready to listen? Okay. Listen carefully. All right. How many pennies went inside of my piggy bank? Okay. So did you hear 4 clinks? So we're subtracting 4. I had 10. I'm going to take away 4. You ready? 10. Let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many are going to be left on my 10 frame? That's right, 6. So 10, take away 4, we're left with 6. Let's check our work. Are there 6 pennies on my 10 frame? There are. There are 4 here and 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 pennies on my board. 10 minus 4 is 6. Let's do another. This might be a fun game you can play at home by putting pennies in your own secret piggy bank or secret spot, and for your parent or a sibling to try to think about how many you took off, but just by using your ears. It's important. It's a great listening skill and listening game. All right, here's our piggy. We have our 10 pennies. Let's take some away. Okay. How many went inside my piggy bank? Did you hear 2? Okay. So if 2 went inside of my piggy bank and there were 10 to start with, how many are left on the 10 frame? 10, take away 2. 1 and 2. How many are going to be left? Do you see 8? Okay, let's check. Up here is all 5, so let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8. We were right. 8 pennies are left. Let's do one more. Now, I'm not going to do any of the work. I want you to do it all, and we'll see how it goes, okay? So, all 10 pennies are back on my 10 frame. There's my piggy, ready to eat some coins. Let's check it out. Okay. Put your listening ears on. Ready? Did you hear that pig eat those coins? How many did you hear it eat? Okay. Now take that number away from 10. Start with 10. What number did you hear it eat? Then take that number away. The pig ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. So 10 take away 5 is 5. Did you get 5? Let's check. Are there 5 left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. You guys are awesome mathematicians. Try playing this game at home with a parent with maybe your own piggy bank, or you can make a piggy like I did, or your own version of the game, and try to use your listening ears to think about how many you're taking away from 10 to see if you can do the math using your fingers. I believe in you. Have an amazing day and keep being awesome. You guys rock. Bye.